Hi guys, I'm gonna teach you how to install the MySQL Workbench and MySQL Community Server 8. Just click the link. I'm gonna put the link in the comment section. Then go to download page. Then choose the second one. Then click the download. Then no thanks, just start my download. Just click that one. I have already downloaded it. So I'm gonna cancel this one because it will take so long. Let's go to my files, then to the downloads, and double click it. Wait for it to until fully preparing. Wait for this one to fully prepared to install. Preparing to install. It will also take so long. Just wait. Just wait for it. Then this, and let's go to custom. I'm gonna choose the custom, the next, and we're gonna only install the MySQL server. Just click that one, then click the arrow, and also the MySQL Workbench. The next, wait for it for totally installed. That's it. The next, and just leave it default. Just next, and this one also just next. Make a MySQL root password and remember it because you're gonna use that one when you open your MySQL. Then just leave it at next, then execute. Wait for it until it will already fully, and then that's it, finished.